This is the Assani Simply Smart Cordless Vacuum. This vacuum is great because it comes in a compact container with a handle that you can actually take this anywhere you want, keep it in your car or just a small space in your house to make it really easy to access. When you plug it in to charge, it's going to show a red LED showing that it is charging. So whenever it's done charging, you'll know by the LED turning green. So to turn this vacuum on, all you're going to do is hold this button in for 3 seconds. And if you actually want to change the intensity, you can just hit the button once or twice, and then to shut it off, you hit it 3 times. This vacuum's super easy to operate. And whenever you're all done to remove the dustbin and empty it out, all you have to do is remove this anti-clockwise and it comes right off. So this little vacuum actually has such a strong suction and a multi-purpose function. So as I open this up, and there are a lot of attachments here. If you want to inflate something like an inflatable mattress, this is actually the tool that you're going to use to do that. It's pretty cool that it comes with that. Also, we have these little attachments that are great for blowing dust out of a computer or anywhere else you can think of. I love how this comes with a long flexible hose because most of these little tiny vacuums don't, and this makes it so much easier to use in the house. We even have a few little brushes too. So this has a Type-C port on the bottom for charging and takes about 3 to 4 hours to fully charge. So the full runtime on high is 12 minutes, the full runtime on medium is 18 minutes, and if you run this on low, it can actually stay running for 30 minutes without charging. I absolutely love how you can stack attachments on this thing and make it so much longer than the competition. I even have a little fuzzy duster on the top just to protect the fabric with a long cord to get in hard to reach areas. I actually never knew how much dust I actually had in my house until I started blowing it out with this machine. And if you blow it out and it starts getting everywhere, you can just flip it around and start sucking it up with the vacuum cleaner side. This thing is perfect for cleaning out this remote control holder because I actually couldn't get in here to clean this with anything else, but this skinny tube allows me to get all the way down in there and all the dirt eliminated. This thing looks amazing now. This is an air vent that's behind my couch and really hard to get to, but with this tool, I can actually angle this vacuum cleaner perfectly to be able to get all the dust back here. I love this thing. You can actually see how dusty this speaker is on the back of my couch, and this tool will pick it up so fast. This thing looks great. So this vacuum is working so well that I actually wanted to put it to the test, so I purposely made a mess with this pepper, and I want to see how fast it can suck it up. Wow, that was crazy. Goodbye mess. I had some leftover glitter from Christmas decorations, and I wanted to see if I can get it up. Jeez, that was crazy. My wife is gonna love me because now I actually enjoy cleaning. I usually get a bunch of dirt that accumulates right here on the front of my door, and as I turn this thing on and set it in the blower setting, all that dirt just gets eliminated. I don't even have to leave my doorstep. This thing works so well. I don't know why I didn't buy one sooner. Another thing that I really like about this is after you're using the vacuum and you have a bunch of dirt in this cartridge and you want to switch to the blower, you can actually twist this off and the dirt will stay in there on the filter. You don't have to empty it out if you want to switch to the blower real fast. And it's that quick and easy. I really love it for the hard to reach spots on the stairs that the vacuum cleaner can never get. There are so many different attachments you can use, and I even like how this has a long flexible cable to get in those hard to reach places, and you can put an attachment on top of that. We got 2 different blowers. We also have a blower that's specially made for inflatables. There's really nothing this portable vacuum cleaner can't do, and it's a great machine to have in your house. All around, amazing. I absolutely love this thing, and this quickly became a necessity in my house. There are so many different functions you can use this for, and I didn't even use it to inflate anything yet. This portable vacuum cleaner and blower is great for inflatables, cleaning those hard to reach places in your house or your car, kitchen, cabinet. This is the perfect tool to have in your household, and honestly, I think it would make an amazing gift for anybody because it takes up little to no space, and there's so many different attachments that this has. I'm a huge fan of this, and I know you will be too. Go and check out Assani for their portable vacuum cleaner today.